wrong way. No, I'm not. It said Sarteneja to go this way. But it looks like I'm going the wrong way. I guess there's a river we cross up here, maybe. Maybe if I follow these people. This is, I think, an opposite way, but it said Sarteneja, so GPS sucks sometimes. It's just weird. Yeah, there's another back road. It's kind of like a shortcut. So, cool. It said Sarteneja, so screw it. It's the arrow. It's pointing this way, so it's not the way the GPS is saying to go. But I see that it's like a kind of a shortcut. And GPS is not recognizing it. So it's an adventure. This guy, and I finally caught up with him, so I figure he knows what he's doing. If he can do it, I can do it, as far as going as fast as he is. And I really don't want to be driving this road in the dark. I want to ask him if they're going to Sarteneja, so I can just follow. But, you know, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. Copper Bank Inn. Some little village here. Excuse me? Is this way to Sarteneja up there? To turn left? Uh-huh. And there's a bridge? To the left and there's a bridge?
Yes, you see the sign right there?
Yep, turn left.
Yep.
And then there's a bridge eventually. Go over, yeah?
Yeah, like
over that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see this? You're there right there?
Yeah. And so then I go over this bridge, and it looks like there's a road here.
Close it. See you there right there?
Uh-huh.
On the arrow.
And then it'll go over here?
No. You're there for the arrow. The arrow.
I know.
Right then you go.
You go up
right
here?
There.
You go over the bridge?
When the arrow reaches right there, you have to turn.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and
then it'll go over here.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Sarteneja this way and Chinook's. Ah, I was hoping I'd get to follow that guy there. It'd make me feel a little safer. I don't think I'm not safe, but it just would make me a little bit less nervous. Signs mean turn here. This T. Sarteneja. Oh, there's ruins out this way. I'm gonna come back this way tomorrow and check them out. So there's ruins that going that other way. Close to the bridge. So I'm basically taking this little shortcut. I thought I was gonna have to go all the way around this super long like lagoon and go all the way around it. That's what GPS had me doing. But I went the opposite direction and crossing the little narrow part of the lagoon at the very end where there's a small, really small mouth that goes out towards the ocean. And it's like a shortcut, I guess. Because GPS does not have it going that way at all. They don't even show a road after the bridge. I get to do this again, so this is cool. It's really pretty. In fact, I'm going to get out and film it. Love you, boo-boo head. My little puppy dog. I love her so much. It says Orchid Bay Resort Beach and Bar, 1 mile ahead. See, it's a really small little mouth into the big lagoon area to my right, and then you can see the ocean right out there, and a little barge that I hope is going to come over and get me. Yeah, he's going to come get me. Oh, it's so pretty. There's not much of weight this time, and it's a lot shorter of a river area, so. It's very pretty. The water's kind of looks clear. I say kind of because I can't really tell. Let's see. I got it. Oh. Sorry, I got a mosquito on my ear. And I got my dog in my one hand. And no, it's not very clear. The water's really cloudy, actually. But anyway. We got a woman cranker over there. Very pretty. Ooh, what was that? I missed it, dang. Ah, feeding time. Come on, one more time, let's catch you. I'm catching the flies and the mosquitoes because I can feel the mosquitoes. Alright, I'm gonna get back in my car. Okay, I just asked these guys ahead of me, and they told me I was going the right way. They said in about 5 minutes I need to turn left, and then I just go straight all the way. It's about another 35 minutes, and it's 5:10 now, so it's definitely going to put me there right after dark, which sucks, but at least it's just, I'll be there within 10 minutes of dark, so, well, complete dark anyway. I mean, it's getting dark now, but you can still see a little bit of light around 5:30, 5:40. So as long as I make my left up here, I make my left up here in the light, so that's good, because I have enough light to make the left, and then I don't have any other turns after that, so I won't have to worry about missing signs and stuff and turns in the dark. villagers, they're natives and not the tourists like me. Because then they won't know the difference either. But they're going slow, so whatever.